channel. It's ChristyRocksXO and my co-host, my witchy friend. We need to give her a name. So down below, give me your suggestions on what I should name her. So she's going to be here throughout the video. I'm so excited, you guys, because today I didn't even tell you what we're doing. I just went like straight into it because I'm that excited. So today we are going to be doing a Halloween haul, and you guys, I'm so excited. I cannot hold off any longer. It is the middle of August, but I don't care. I'm gonna start decorating here after this haul, actually. So today is a Friday, so I'll probably start decorating either tonight or tomorrow, first thing tomorrow, because I'm so excited and I want to get all of this good stuff out. I did pick up a few new things this year because I cannot help myself when it comes to holiday decor. So I picked up a few goodies and I want to share them with you. So since she's right here with me, I'm going to share her first. This is my lovely co-host. I love her so much. So she did come from Home Goods, and I absolutely love her. She's about, I would say about 4 feet tall, maybe a little taller because of her hat. I am obsessed with her. So she was $79.99 and I had to have her. I will go ahead and give you a better view here in a minute of what she looks like. Let me go ahead and, you know, pull her back so you can see her dress because it's absolutely stunning. But here is what she looks like. She's really tall. She is standing right now. So as you can see, she goes with my vibe completely. She has a skull and she's a witch, has a whole black outfit on, and that goes with my aesthetic as far as Halloween goes, because if you don't know, I do decorate with a black and white cream theme. I add a little splash of orange, but it's mainly just black and white and cream because I love the way that looks. So here she is. She's so pretty. I want to go ahead and, you know, introduce her first because she's going to be right here with me throughout the whole video. I'll be hauling from At Home, Home Goods, and TJ Maxx. And I think that's it for today. I'm gonna do another haul after this one, so make sure you get subscribed, stay tuned. I probably will be wearing the same thing because I'm not gonna change, I can't be bothered. But I didn't want to put it in one whole video because it's gonna be way too long, and I can't with the way too long videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna split it up. So my next haul is gonna be from the 99-cent only store, and from Dollar Tree, and from Big Lots, maybe. Big Lots might be in this one. We'll see. Let's see how long we take here. So we're gonna stick with Home Goods, and I've been wanting to change out my plates on my table and on my kitchen island. So this set of plates I'm going to show you, this is going to be all year round. However, it goes with my Halloween theme, so I figured I'd just throw it in here, and I'd also incorporate it into my Halloween theme whenever I get to decorating. So I'm going to just show you right now. So here is the first plate. I absolutely love this plate. So these plates were $6.99 and I did get them at Home Goods. I just love the gold trim. It is absolutely stunning. And for $6.99, you really can't beat that. So I did go ahead and pick up 3 of these for my kitchen island. I did want to put these bigger plates on my table. However, they didn't have enough for my table. They only had 3. So I was like, you know what, I'll go ahead and I'll put these on my kitchen island. But they did have, let me show you, they did have this size here. So I figured I would go ahead and just pick up 6 of these. So I did pick up 6 of these plates, and these were $4.99, and they're so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these on top of these plates here. Let me show you. So I'll be using these plates here. I do need to wash all of this stuff. I have not washed this, so it does look a little bit dusty from the store. I just took it out of the package right now. But I'm excited to use all this stuff, you guys. This is why I want to make this haul for you guys right now. That way I can get to decorating and cleaning and washing everything. So this is gonna go here like that. And then this is gonna go right on top, just like that. And I think that's gonna look so pretty. I love the contrast of the gold and the white. So I will be decorating my table like this throughout the year. I really love black accents in my home. I do decorate with black accent furniture. If you've been here before, then you've seen my coffee table and my entryway table. They're very dark. They're almost a black color. So I love the way that looks. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be adding some more black into my home because I love the color. And I am going to be painting one of my walls black because I love that look. I always wanted to paint my room black, but I was scared because you know, I want it to look good. It's just black is just very intimidating color because, you know, it's black and it's gonna be all over my walls. So I was like, oh, should I do it? But you know what, I'm gonna do it. I even want to paint my kitchen island, the bottom cabinets and the whole back. I want to paint that black. But anyways, I'm going off on a tangent. But I want to bring more black color into my home. I love it. It's beautiful. So especially like the satin finish. Oh, it's so pretty. So okay, let me go ahead and keep on with my little theme here. So I also have these black bowls as well, and these bowls don't have a price, but they did come in a 4-pack, and I think they're about $12. Yeah, so I really love these here. So my vibe for this, something like this. So it's gonna go like that on my kitchen island. I think it's so pretty. I love this. So that's what that's looking like, and I can't wait to put these up on my table. I'm so excited. Your girl is parched right now. I'm gonna do at home. I didn't pick up that much from at home because when I did go, there wasn't that much out. But whatever there was, I did pick it up because I know if I don't and I go back later on, it's gonna be gone. And sure enough, I went another day and the things that I picked up were totally wiped out. So I'm glad I was able to get my hands on them. The first thing from at home is this platter here. And this was $19.99. I did have a coupon for 20% off my total purchase. It's a VIP reward members thing for my birthday. They give you 20%, and thankfully my birthday is in July, so this stuff starts to get put out around July. So I was like, yes please. So anyways, I did pick up this here, and then just look at this skull. He is like, where the food at? He looks kind of over it, and I love it. So I did pick up this here. I thought it was absolutely stunning. And like I said, this guy was gone by the time I went back the next time. Here you can see his rib cage. It's just awesome. It almost looks like he melted in some way. But I love him. So if you go to your at home and you see this, get it now because it's not going to be there. For some reason, I feel like Halloween decor this year is just flying off the shelf. Like it's not staying put. It's literally flying off the shelf, you guys. So if you see something, get it. And then if it doesn't work out in the spot that you have in mind for it, then take it back. Save the receipt and take it back. But don't leave it. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what I do. Shoot, your girl will pick something up. I'll say like, you know, I really want it, but I'm not sure. But I'm not going to leave it because if it gets sold out, I'm going to be heartbroken. So I bring it home with me. I let it marinate. And if I want to keep it, I keep it. And if I don't, I take it back. That's the beauty of returns. So, woo, your girl's on a roll with the yip yapping today. The next thing that I picked up from At Home was this spell book here. Look at this. Look at this. I'm in love with this spell book. It does have a true love potion ingredients, and then it has a everlasting life potion ingredients. Everlasting life potion. I don't know if I'd want to live forever, but yeah, I thought this was really, really cool. So here's what it looks like. I could totally DIY something like this. My book kind of looks something like this, but the book that I've DIY'd before, I will go ahead and link my spell book up here so you can go ahead and check it out. So when you see that little iCard come up, go ahead and click on it. But here's what this looks like. Here's the back. So it does sit on his wrists here. $39.99, and I love it. I thought it was beautiful, so I couldn't leave it. I just couldn't. This is one of the items I was like, do I need it? Do I want it? Because, you know, I could DIY something like this, and I have, and I absolutely love my spell book. I will never get rid of it or not use it. But I figured you can never have too many spell books, and so I picked it up, and I really love it. I love how the little hands are right here. It's like holding the pages back. It has this little glitter part where it looks distressed, and I love how the pages are almost like bent here. Just so pretty. I love this. Also from HomeGoods, I picked up this bowl here. I had to have it. It is stunning, stunning, stunning. So it's this bowl, as you can see. It looks cracked on the inside, and I just love it. And then it's held up by these hands, these skeleton hands, and I love this piece here. So this here was for $24.99, and I couldn't leave it. I had to have it. It's absolutely stunning, and it's black, and I love it. So I did pick this up as well, and this is from HomeGoods. I also picked up a huge witch sign. I'm gonna go ahead and show you now. I definitely couldn't pick this up to show you, so I brought you over here so you can look at the sign that I bought. So it says the old witch is in, and then it says come and stay for a spell, no vacancy, and I thought it was so cool. I do have to take the paper off of the bottom, but look at this. Tell me this isn't so cool. I absolutely love this sign. It was for $129, like I said. So I definitely want to get, you know, substantial pieces, and I thought this was absolutely perfect to add to my decor this year. So yeah, I love it. It's so pretty. The sign is also in the back. It says the same thing, and I really love this sign. Tell me that sign isn't so cute. I fell in love with it. I have been wanting a sign like that because HomeGoods just come out with signs like that every year, but I just never wanted to pay that price. But this year I was like, you know what, I want it, I'm gonna get it. So I did, and I love it. TJ Maxx is this 2-tier tray here. Look at that. It's being held up by a ton of witch hats. Look at that. I love this. So this here was $19.99. It's black. Here's the base, and here's what it looks like. Very simple at the bottom, but I couldn't leave this because of the witch hats. They are phenomenal. I love them. I'm all about the witchy vibes. So I had to have this. As you can see, the little hats up here. So I did pick this up as well at TJ Maxx. So from HomeGoods, I picked up these books here. And this says, reveal your future. Ooh, that's pretty cool, right? Would you want to know your future? I don't know if I would. I feel like I wouldn't. I feel like that'd be too scary. Fortune to be told. That's what it says here. And then on its face, it just has a bunch of words. Aggression, protection, defense, economy, caution, industry, dignity, quality, rest, nutrition, destruction. But yeah, so I did pick up this book here, and I love this book. It's so neat. It is empty. It does have whatever this is on the inside. And I really love this. I thought it was so cool, so I picked this up here. I also picked up this faux book here. It is, you know, another little storage container. There's like little things in here. What is this? Oh, it's that stuff that they put in there. And this says, your fate is in your hands. Ha, ha, ha. And then it says palm string. And just has a hand with a bunch of words on it. And I thought this was really cool, and it is on both sides. So this one was $12.99. This one here was $9.99. And I thought that was a pretty cool steal. You can, you know, put these on top of each other like that. And that would look really cool. You put something on top of it. So I did go ahead and pick these up, and I'm excited about them. And that's going to end it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you're inspired and you saw something that you liked. That way you can go out now and get it. So if you did, please go out now and get it, because I don't want you to miss out and say, well, I couldn't find that. But it's because you waited too long. And if you wait too long, everything's going to be taken. Because like I said, everything is flying off the shelves. So go now. So if you enjoyed this video, please give your girl a big thumbs up, because it does mean the world to me and it helps out my channel. Also, please share these videos with all of your friends. Get your girl out there. So until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye.